Listen, kid. You sure you want me to take your picture like that?
Just do it. Come on already. Come on, come on.
Yeah. And don't blame me later. Say cheese.
My name is Konohamaru.
At first, I couldn't figure out exactly how to do it. It took me like 3 hours to work it out and stuff. But finally, I got it. Like an art project on my face, only cooler.
Take it again.
No way!
We can't accept this photo.
Yeah? Well, I'm not doing it again. Transform!
Pretty please, Lord Hokage.
That's the sexy jutsu, you say? Very tricky. Much too tricky. Don't do it again. And where is your headband, Naruto? You're supposed to be wearing it.
Oh, I'm not putting it on until the orientation. I don't want to mess it up.
So, you want your headband nice, but your photo, which is supposed to identify you, makes you look like a clown. It's for ninja training and missions, which is the key to your future. Look at this picture. You can't even tell who it is.
Well, fine. How am I supposed to know all this complicated stuff anyway?
Old man, I challenge you! I'm going to defeat you and become the fifth Hokage!
My grandson, another headache.
Something tricked me!
Are you okay, honorable grandson? And by the way, there's nothing here for you to trip on. It's pretty flat.
Who is this shrimp?
It's that kid! The nine-tailed fox. Of course, he's the worst kind of troublemaker.
All right, you're the one who tripped me, aren't you?
You tripped over your own feet, dork!
Hey, you! Take your hands off of him right now! He's the honorable grandson of the honorable third Hokage!
That stopped him, just like all the rest. Ha! Now that he knows who I am, he won't dare lay a finger on me. What's the matter, huh? I thought you were gonna hit me, tough guy. Afraid because the third Hokage is my grandfather?
I don't care if he's your grandmother! So believe it!
Ah! This guy's different.
This is not looking good.
Listen carefully. You are the honorable grandson of the honorable third Hokage. You cannot let riffraff like this draw you into a fight, even though he deserves it. You see, he's far beneath you. You mustn't stoop to his level. As your elite ninja trainer, I am never wrong, which means I'm always right. I'm far above the other trainers, so heed my every word. Your goal is to become the next Hokage, and I can teach you the best way to do it. Indeed, due to my great skill, I can take you quickly and easily to the top, but you must always stay close to me. You understand me? Right, honorable grandson? Where'd he go now?
I think he followed Naruto, but I have no idea where they're going.
He's with Naruto? That's a disaster! Honorable grandson!
How did he grow up to be like that? My grandson's quite determined. That was his 20th sneak attack today. And if he starts running around with Naruto, he's sure to get even worse. Naruto wouldn't teach him anything really bad, would he?